friends. Today we are discuss about the basics of gas welding processes. So my name is Dr. N. Sri Rangarajulu, Assistant Professor, Department of Production Technology, MIT Campus, Anna University, Chennai. Already I will put this same video in Tamil also. So today we are discuss about gas welding processes. Generally they are used for acetylene gas in maroon color, and the blue color is oxygen gas. These hoses are provided. With the help of this one, this is a welding torch. With the help of this welding torch, here mixing chamber is there. Here oxygen and acetylene gases are mixed together, and through this nozzle, they can able to come out. So here they can able to ignite with the help of a lighter. So you will get the flame like this. You can able to adjust this flame. Initially, they will have a light yellow color flame is come over like this. So after that, you can adjust the oxygen and acetylene gas. You will get the different types of flames. That is oxidizing flame, carburizing flame, and neutral flame like that. Different type of flames are used for different types of welding. Flames will be like this. Inner cone of the temperature may be 3200 degrees centigrade. The outer feather may be somewhat less than the inner temperature. And here they will have a distinct three zones. This is the inner cone, this is the outer cone, this is the feather, this is the nozzle of the gas welding. So today we are discussing about different types of techniques are used for gas welding and how we can able to get the good quality of the gas welding. So safety measures also important. Hence we are using for a fire. So fire flame is used. So that's why we can wear the gloves and the apron and the shoes are important. The safety equipments are important, and also they will have a hold properly for the welding torch or welding gun. And then they will have a oxyacetylene gas welding setup will be like this. This is acetylene, this is the fuel gas, and this is oxygen. This is blue color, this is maroon color, and these hoses are provided. And here they will have a pressure gauges are provided for inner pressure and outer pressure also we can able to read through these pressure gauges. And here they will have a valves. With the help of this valve, we can able to adjust the pressure of the outlet pressure of the gas. And here they will have tubes are there. These hoses are tubes. This is a hard one. So with the help of this one, we can able to connect to the this nozzle welding torch outlet inlets. So here they will have knobs are provided. With the help of this oxygen and acetylene knobs, you can able to adjust. You will get the flame for neutral flame or oxidizing flame or carburizing flame. With the help of this flame, you can able to make a parent metal, and with the help of this pillar metal, you can able to join the welding process. This is one of the fusion welding technology. This is most widely used for sheet metal applications in automobile industries, and not only automobile industries, aerospace industries and shipbuilding applications. Whenever we need for thin metal welding, 6 mm, 1.6 mm thickness to up to 3 mm thickness of the welds, we can able to use this type of gas welding process. So here this is the gas welding torch. Here the flame will be like this. Inner cone temperature will be higher than the outer temperature. And then there are different types of flames already told. That is in neutral flame, oxidizing flame, carburizing flame. The carburizing flame or reducing flame. This type of different types of flames are used for different types of welding. Here they will have a flame photograph. I can clearly explain for carburizing flame, and then neutral flame and oxidizing flame. Oxidizing flame is higher temperature than other types of flames. So here clearly visible for gas welding flame. This is a inner cone temperature 3200 degrees centigrade, light blue color, and then dark blue color is the outer cone, and feather also provided. And here this is a gas welding metal cutting. So with the help of gas welding, cutting torch is different from the welding torch. So I will show the further slides. You can able to clearly visible for how the nozzle tip fabricated for cutting nozzles. With the help of this one, we can able to very thick metals also easily we can able to cut with the help of oxidizing flame. Ferrous and non-ferrous metals and gas cutting scarf. Scarf is nothing but at the time cutting of the metal will be melt and like this scars will form on the metal surfaces. This is irregular surface. This can be finished with the help of grinding and some other operation. This is a gas welding part. Here they will have knobs and other things. With the help of this one, we can adjust the flames and other things. And then gas lighter, you may not able to, with the help of matchstick, you may not able to ignite the torch. Why? Because it will have a fire hazardous will be occur. So that's why we can able to use for this type of gas lighter. With the help of this gas lighter, here stone and stone is there, sparkling stone is there. With the help of this one, you can able to spark, immediately spark will come out. So with the help of this spark, you can able to ignite the acetylene and oxyacetylene gas. Here they will have different types of diameter of the nozzles, 0.8 mm, 1.3 mm, 1.6 mm, like that. Different types of nozzles are available. This is made up of copper. So why? Because this is used for different types of thickness of the material. You can able to weld depending upon the size of the thickness. You can vary the size of the nozzle torch tips also, welding torch tip also. And here they will have a brass welding with the help of brass rod and oxidizing flame. You can able to make a copper pipe. At the time of welding, we can use for flux also. That is a borax flux most widely used. That borax flux is melt the material and it can able to send to the required places, and it can able to without affecting the oxygen and nitrogen of the atmosphere. So it can able to solidify properly. Then you will get the good quality of the welds in copper pipes. This is most widely used for oxidizing flame for copper. Already I told that is a cutting torch will be different from the welding torch. This is the cutting torch. Inside they will have a large hole is there. This hole is used for oxygen and acetylene gas. Oxygen gas will come out through this larger hole, and outside the periphery they will have smaller holes over there. With the help of this multiple number of holes, oxyacetylene flame is produced. At the time of cutting, preheating the thick metals, and after the preheating, getting the red dot condition. After that, they will have a cutting torch. They will have one lever is there. You can press the lever. The oxygen will be more oxygen will be emitted, so it can able to temperature rise will be taken place, and easily you can able to cut the material. And some of the portable gas welding equipments also available with the help of this one. So household appliances for AC repair engineers, they can able to take this one. So with the help of this one, they can able to AC gas leakage and brass tubes. So they can able to welding with the help of a portable gas welding machine. And then they will have a surface hardening also possible with the help of this gas welding flame, oxyacetylene flame. We can able to make a carbureting flame. We can able to make a surface hardening also possible. With the help of this hardening, you can able to heat the surface, and you can able to make a hardening with the help of this type of oxyacetylene flame. And goldsmith also, they can able to melt the gold and silver. Initially, they are able to make with the help of this charcoal flames, and can able to heat the crucible, and they can able to melt the metal. Nowadays, whenever they go for any gold shop or some other places, they are using for oxyacetylene flame. With the help of this flame, they can able to melt the gold and silver, and they put into the dye and get the required shape. So like that, gas welding is very useful for all other applications, not only for welding of ferrous and non-ferrous metal, and different types of pillar metals and different types of sheet metals. You can able to weld the ferrous and the non-ferrous metals for aluminum, copper, brass, zinc, and mild steel and steel plates. All those things you can able to, with the help of this welding, you can able to weld. Not only for automobile industry, this is used for shipbuilding industries, aerospace industries, and even AC cabins and refrigerator cabinets and other things also, thin sheet metal cables also, metallic cables also, we can use for this type of gas welding processes. Thank you very much for your patient listening. I have discussed about this video for what are all the different types of flames you can able to produce with the help of gas welding torch at just the oxygen and steel in gas. You will get the highest temperature in oxidizing flame, and also we can able to use for different types of flames are used for different types of metals, and different types of fluxes also used for different types of metals. Further videos I will discuss about these types of what are all the fluxes used for different types of metals, and what are all the diameter of the nozzles we can use for different types of thickness of materials, and all those things we will discuss in the forthcoming further videos. Thank you very much for your kind support and for this video. So you can able to listen this video. This may be very useful in your area. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Thank you very much. Thank you.